So today, this is my first forging project, well, on video. It's going to be my first video where I actually talk over it. So what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to attempt to tie a knot in some round stock. Well, let's see how it goes. I have no clue what I'm doing when I'm doing this. I just have some, I think it's half-inch round stock. I honestly have no clue what to do. I think what I'm going to do is just start off by getting the end and making a circle with it. And go from there, I guess. Yeah, I have no clue what I'm doing. And I also forgot to tell you, since this is a half-inch, I'm taking it down quite a bit. As you can see, just taking it down to, I don't know, like a quarter-inch or something like that, so it's easier to bend. Alright, so I just made my first major move, I guess. I made a 90-degree bend, and then bent it over the anvil, over the horn a little bit, so it kind of formed a loop. So I'm going to go for a full loop, and then I'm just going to pass it through itself, basically. By the way, you probably already noticed, but I got a brand new anvil. It's 110-pound Konica anvil, all the way from Turkey. It's a pretty good anvil. This is a lot harder than I thought. I really don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so it's going pretty well. I got this loop all made, and now that one end that's sticking out, I'm going to wrap that around and through the loop. Obviously just like a knot, and then hopefully that will be it. Hopefully I don't mess it up too. Alright, I basically have the knot tied. All I have to do is just tighten it up, and then I'll be done. Alright, so it's going kind of well. I forgot one of the steps, which was bending the loop 90 degrees to the bar. But now I just have to tighten the knot, and it's kind of confusing, and this may take a while. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. Okay, so for the knot that I'm making right now, I kind of messed up a little bit. Nothing that I can't fix, but this part, this loop right here, that's all the way over here, so it's kind of looping around there. So I'm going to try to fix that, but if I can't, then oh well. I'm almost done. All I have to do is just tighten it up a little bit, and then I'll be done. Here it is, all finished up. I couldn't really get it any tighter than it is. Focus. Come on. Yeah, I couldn't really get it any tighter than it is right now. I can't really touch it right now because I can't cool it off because my hose is frozen because it's like 25 degrees outside. But I couldn't really get it any tighter than it is, but I think it looks pretty good. And if you look at what I was modeling it after, it kind of looks the same. It's the best that I could do. I might try this again later, but I might get some 1/4-inch stock, so I won't have to, make it or taper it down myself, So yeah, I might try it again later, and if I do, I'll probably film it.